So this is a little follow-up video regarding the EBC Apollo front brakes. We're going to weigh them all. So I've got a set of analog scales here, set to 0. We'll get them on the scales and we'll see how much these weigh. Right. So the discs themselves weigh 7.5 kilos. We'll add the other bits to the pile. So we've got the adapter plate, and we'll put the pads in there as well because they're big weight. Okay, and then chuck the caliper on there. Okay, so the total weight of that kit is 11.5 kilos. 11.5 kilos, that's for the full brake conversion. So everything on there, excluding the brake hose, obviously, because that'll yeah, there's no point weighing that. So that's everything. That is the caliper, the adapter, the big disc, and the pads. So relatively, the disc being 7.5 kilos, as I said it previously, the caliper is really light. So the caliper itself weighs 3 kilos. That is incredibly light for such a big caliper. 3 kilos. We just readjust that. Right, so I've just readjusted the scales, and it is 2.5 kilos. Exactly 2.5 kilos, the caliper. So yeah, very light, extremely light. I hope that's helpful for anybody anyway. So we've got 7.5 kilos for the discs, 2.5 kilos for the caliper, and they will be literally a kilo, I reckon, 1.5 kilos for the pads and so you've got to reset these analog ones every time, unfortunately. Adapter and pads. So yeah, they're about 1.5 kilos. It's mad. That is mad. So the plate and the brake pads is 1 kilo lighter than the entire caliper itself. But yeah, hope that's informative. I'll put that in the description as well for future people. Thank you.